video, let's discuss about method decorators in Odoo 40. Decorators allows you to modify the way a method behaves, which allows us to extend the behavior of a function. In short, it takes a function and adds some functionality and return the function. So let's see what are the decorators used in Odoo 40. So first, let's see, go through at API model. So this decorator is used in migration of code. It will convert old API calls to new API signature. So create and write functions in old API call can be easily updated using this decorator. So here I have created a new function, that is create function, you can see here, that is used to generate sequence. So I have defined this model inside my Python class file, that is caller.py. So this is my Python class file that I have created inside my custom module, that is book. So I have added that inside my inventory module after installing the custom module. So you can see here under book menu, I have two submenus, book details and scholar. So I have created book and then here I can create scholar. So when I create a scholar here, you can see a sequence is generated. Okay, so the function is used for that. Then next we have at API.onChange. Okay, so the function with this decorator is called when field value changes. For example, if you want to change the unit price on changing the field name of the book in the order line, that is, here you can see the unit price. So you can change the value of this unit price when changing the this field name of book. So that is how onChange works. And here you can provide the field name. So when changing this field, the price will be updated. Then we have at API.depends decorator. So this decorator is used to compute fields, a field's value. That is, if a compute function value depends on another field, then it must be specified using depends. So here you can see at API.depends, I have provided the fields product quantity and price. So here in this example, the field subtotal depends on these two fields, that is product quantity and price. So you can see that I have defined a function compute amount that is used to compute the subtotal. So if I add multiple lines here, that is, if I added multiple products here, so this for loop, it go through each line and updates the subtotal value by multiplying the product quantity with price. So you can see it is multiplied and subtotal is computed, and each line's subtotal will be updated. Then next we have at API.returns decorator. So here you can see stock location Python class file. Inside this, I have defined a function get warehouse under API.returns. So this decorator guarantees the unity of return value. It will return a record set of specified model based on original or return value. That is, it is used to return some value when a particular method is called. Okay, so here you can see it returns a warehouse ID of warehouse that contains location. Next decorator we have is at API constraints. So you can see I have defined a function check next check number under this decorator. So the function with this decorator will be called create a write action on the records. The function is invoked whenever the name field of this record is modified. For example, when you want to validate data before calling create or write function. So here you can see it have this function returned a validation error, okay, which is defined under the decorator API.constraints. Then next we have decorator at API.depends underscore context. So it is used to specify the dependencies. For example, if you want to compute price field, then field is defined in the context, under the context. Then we have decorator at API.model underscore create underscore multi. Okay, so here you can see the decorator under which a create function is defined. So this function it takes a list of dictionaries and create multiple records. The method can be called with a single or list of dictionaries. Then the last decorator we have in Odoo is at API auto vacuum. Decorate a method that is called by daily vacuum cron job model, that is ir.auto vacuum, and it's used for garbage collection that do not deserve a specific cron job. Okay, so you can see inside this file, we have a function GC messages, which is defined under this decorator. So that's all about method decorators in Odoo 14.